Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here at TechProvider. This is our first ever video on YouTube, so we hope that you will like it and appreciate it, and we hope that we can help you. So today I want actually to show you how can you go back in the memories and get histories, how website used to be before, the website you want to check. Well, today I'm actually gonna show you how you can do that. It's very easy. But before we get started, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button actually, and support us and turn on the notifications bell. We will really appreciate that. And now let's just get started. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna just simply go into your browser, and then you're gonna search for web archive, and then you're gonna find this website. It might look a bit weird, just what the hell is this, but it is safe, trust us. So just click on the first link, and there you go, you're inside the website. Cool, right? Now what you're gonna do is just that you're gonna type in the URL, the link or whatever, the website they want to archive, to go back in history. So let's just use YouTube for this one. So we're gonna click on this on the URL and click Ctrl+C. Then we're gonna go back to the Wayback Machine. Click here. You can just right click and click paste here. Klistring in Swedish, sorry. And then you can click enter. And as you can see, there's a lot of good history for this website. So let's see, which one would you like to take? Let's just take the oldest one. Why not? So let's go for the 2005. That looks like it was the first archive in the world for YouTube. So we're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna see what do you want, what month would you want. There's a lot of snapshots. We can take the first one that was in 28 April 2005. Click on it, let it load. It might take a while, depends on what year you've chosen. There we go. Click on this one, and now it should be ready to go. Just let it load. It has to calculate and think. There you go. YouTube broadcast yourself, as you can see at the top right there. And it looks like, oh yeah. So as you can see, this is Adobe Flash Player. So we can see that these used to be help with a Flash Play YouTube, but this is how YouTube used to look now. Now you guys know, you see the logo, kind of ugly to be honest. I'm sorry. You see, it wasn't even cut there. It was just a white picture here. I have no idea. Messages, close in messages this time, and there we go. Videos. You just log in here, whatever. So yeah, that's how you archive a website, guys. It's very easy, as I told you. You just need to do this, and then you can go whatever years you want to, just what years you want. You can also go for 2018. There's a lot of snapshots, you see. But yeah, there's a lot of them. You can click on this one, for example, if you want 2018. Let's just wait for it to load. It's very easy. So now, guys, if you thought that it doesn't work to do these things, well, it actually does. Yeah, I have literally showed it to you guys. Yeah, it doesn't really load right now, but just forget. Just forget it. Okay. Oh well. Okay. But alright, guys, I think that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked our first video. I hope this helped you, and yeah, if it did, we really want you to go subscribe. We will really appreciate if you go subscribe to our channel. Once again, turn on the notification bell and click thumbs up on this video. Share it to your friends if they also need help with this, in case. And I think they also would like our channel. It needs to grow up a bit more. And we all wish you a very good day, and see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.